Hi everyone, this is Bella from Bella's Art Studio, and today's video is going to be a time lapse of me painting New York. These are smaller paintings, but I will be doing a larger painting of this specific design, so I'll keep you posted, and I'm sure I'll do another YouTube video about it. So I hope you all enjoy. This video is short and sweet, so I hope you liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out, and I look forward to making some more videos for you. See you next time.